Hi, my name is Larry Baldridge, golf instructor at the Mitchell Golf Performance School. Today we're going to talk about how to best use the Mitchell golf equipment. So this is our Mitchell TourGauge digital putter machine. The first thing we want to do is turn on the digital display on a switch on the back. It's always going to read in all zeros, so you're going to want to make sure that if you get an accurate reading that everything is zeroed out properly. The way to do that's simple. You're going to take your zeroing out pin and you're going to lock the face fixture in like so. That'll be for your lie angle. So when I've got that locked in, I want to hit the zero out button for lie. Next, you're going to locate a hole on the back, which will lock the gauge in place, and that's going to be for your loft. So you want to hit the zero out button for loft. Now both your loft and lie for the machine is zeroed out. Now we're ready to start registering a putter. All right, so I'm going to register a right-handed putter first. What I want to make sure is that the face of the putter is flush against the face fixture. You have a measuring guide on here to make sure that your putter is centered properly. When centering the putter, make sure you have equal distance on the toe and heel from the center of the face fixture. Next, tighten down your top clamp and then come in through the back to clamp the putter securely. Now we're ready to find the loft and lie angle of this putter. Take your shaft cradle and make flush with the top of the shaft and the back of the shaft. You'll then have a reading of your loft and lie. When clamping the back of the putter, make sure that your nylon block is lined up square to the back. The nylon block can be put in different positions to make sure that it matches up with the back of your putter. When registering a mallet, to ensure that the putter is secure, change out the back clamp. Now the back clamp is securely in place. So there are many different types of putter designs out there. More of your traditional ones you're used to are the plumber's neck. This is an example of a center shaft. This is an example of a center shafted mallet putter. When bending, you want to make sure that you're as high as possible on the hosel to avoid any damage. Now we're going to make an adjustment to this putter. You can use two bending bars which come with the machine, and I will show you how to use both of them now. First, I'm going to show you how to use the adjustable bending bar. It has an aluminum insert which will protect the putter's finish. So as you can see, our starting spec of loft is 3¼ degrees and our lie angle is 68.5. So we're going to make an adjustment to both the loft and lie and show you how to do that properly. To adjust the lie angle, approach the putter from the side. So when placing the adjustable bending bar on the hosel, you want to go as high as possible, over the shaft first, then on the hosel, tightening until it's snug. To adjust the loft of the putter, approach from the front. When adjusting this putter, I'm going to be using a bumping technique to adjust the lie. Bumping up will allow the putter to be bent upright. Bumping down will make the putter flat. The spec on this putter is 3½ loft and 69 degrees of lie angle. So we're going to go ahead and adjust the lie angle first. And let's make this close to a standard of around 71, 72 degrees. The next thing we're going to do is adjust the loft of this putter. Right now we're at 3½ degrees and we're going to make this down to 2 degrees. So I'm going to approach the front of the putter. When adjusting the loft of a putter, to increase the loft, you'll want to bend up, and to decrease the loft, you want to bend down. Now we have a loft of 2 degrees and a lie angle of 71. Now I'm going to show you how to use a double bend bending bar on this plumber's neck. When putting the bar onto the club, you're going to have the bottom as high on the hosel as possible, and the other will be supported against the shaft. When using this bending bar, continue to use a bumping motion, again down to make the putter flat, and up to make the putter more upright. For the loft, it's the same thing, high on the hosel, and again, down to decrease the loft, or up to increase loft. If you like these videos, make sure to subscribe to us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram, and like us on Facebook.